And hello there, and welcome to another informative video from Wondershare Dr. Phone. I'm Francisco, your host, and today we're going to resolve all types of iOS 17 app crashes. So if you've ever experienced the frustration of having your favorite apps unexpectedly close or freeze on your iPhone or iPad, then you're not alone. In this video, we're going to provide you with a detailed tutorial that will help you not only understand why these crashes happen, but also equip you with practical and effective solutions to fix them. So before moving forward, here are going to be some exciting news. Wondershare Dr. Phone is about to drop its brand new 13.5 version, and guess what? The Mac products are getting a full-on upgrade. But that's not all. We're also introducing a new AI function area. Brace yourselves for some seriously cool features like AI-generated wallpapers and music. And the great news is that the AI wallpaper function is already up and running, so you can go ahead and check it out to create stunning and beautiful wallpaper. Now, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive future updates. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and move on to the main topic. Part 1. Reasons why iOS 17 apps are crashing. Understanding why your apps misbehave is the first step, I would say, towards resolving the issue in an uninterrupted mobile experience. Here are going to be the key culprits that we're going to be exploring. Software bugs. Even the most refined apps can contain annoying bugs, and iOS 17 is no exception. These software glitches and coding errors can cause apps to crash on your iOS device. Software compatibility. As iOS evolves, older apps may struggle to keep up. These changes in the iOS environment can render some apps incompatible, leading to crashes. Insufficient device storage. Your iPhone or iPad, like any device, has a finite amount of storage, and if it is running low, apps will not run as intended, so do keep that in mind. Network connectivity. Sometimes app crashes are due to network issues. It could be due to poor Wi-Fi connection, cellular data, or things like that usually add up. Part 2. How to fix iOS 17 apps crashing after an update. Basic solutions. It's not uncommon for app crashes to occur following an iOS update, and it can be frustrating, but fear not. Below are going to be some basic methods to get your apps back on track. Solution number 1. Force close the app on your iPhone. So one of the initial steps, I would say, to tackle an app crash on iOS 17 is to force close a misbehaving app. Sometimes an app can become unresponsive or encounter temporary issues that force closing can resolve. So here's going to be how to do it. Just swipe up from the bottom of the screen up to the middle of the screen to access the app switcher. Here, swipe left or right to find the targeted app. Once you have found it, swipe upward to close it. Now back and relaunch the app to see if the issue is resolved. Solution number 2. Performing a quick restart on your iPhone. If force closing the app doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is going to be to perform a quick restart on your iPhone. This can help clear out minor software glitches and refresh the device. Here's going to be how to do it. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button. Finally, hold the side button until you see the Apple logo pop up. Solution number 3. Ensuring your apps are up to date. Outdated apps can often be the root cause of crashes on iOS 17, as developers regularly release updates to improve stability and compatibility. Here's how to ensure your apps are up to date. First, just open the App Store on your device. Now tap on your profile icon from the top of the screen. Here, scroll down to check for updates. If you see an app you'd like to update, just tap the update button next to it. You can also update all of the apps in one go by pressing the Update All option as well. Solution number 4. Delete the app and just reinstall. If your app is still crashing on iOS 17 after trying the previous solutions, it's time to consider a more thorough approach. Now, remove the problematic app and then reinstall it. Here's how you can do that. So just long press the targeted app icon and then select Remove App from the upcoming menu. Now tap Delete App and finally confirm it by pressing Delete. After, just use the App Store to reinstall the app from there, and then that should resolve most of your issues. Solution number 5. Restore to previously released software. So if you've tried all of the previous solutions and your app is still crashing on iOS 17, you may want to consider restoring your device to a previously released iOS version. This can be particularly useful if the app in question was working fine on an earlier version of iOS. Part 3. iPhone apps still crashing from iOS 17 updates? Try this instead. If you've tried the previous solutions and your apps are still misbehaving, we have an alternative approach for you to consider. Using Wondershare Dr. Phone, it is going to be a very powerful tool and user-friendly toolkit designed to help you resolve various iOS issues, including app crashes. With this tool, you can repair over 150 iOS system issues with ease. The best thing about using this tool is that it repairs most issues without causing data loss. It provides two powerful repair modes to resolve iOS issues. Apart from resolving iOS issues, you can also upgrade or downgrade your device's iOS version without having to jailbreak your iOS device. So following are going to be the steps to repair the app crashing problem with Wondershare Dr. Phone. To repair your iDevice with the help of Wondershare Dr. Phone, you will need to launch it on your computer. Then go to the toolbox section from the top left side of the home screen. There, select System Repair option and then select the nature of the device, such as iOS. Following this, select the iOS Repair option from the new menu, and then click on the Standard Repair option. Now put your iOS device in recovery mode by following the on-screen instruction. The platform will then detect the iOS firmware options once the iPhone is set in recovery mode. This firmware can be downloaded by clicking the download button. Once the iOS firmware is downloaded on your PC or Mac, then it is verified by the platform. After this, you can just click the Repair Now button to start the repair process. You can check out the progress bar to see if the process is finally complete. Once the process is completed, just click the Done option to conclude the repair process. Part 4. How to stop receiving betas after iPhone apps crash on iOS 17. If you've experienced app crashes on iOS 17 while participating in the beta testing program, it's crucial to understand how to opt out of beta versions. Here's the process of exiting the iOS beta program. Option number 1, turn off beta updates. If you wish to stop receiving beta updates, you can do so by turning off beta updates. Here's how to do it. Navigate to Software Update in General and then Settings and access Beta Updates. On the following screen, toggle off the beta updates to stop receiving them. Option number 2, install the next version of iOS. If you've been experiencing app crashes on iOS 17 due to compatibility issues with beta software, updating to the next stable version of iOS can often resolve these problems. Here's how to update your device to the latest stable iOS release. Open the Settings app and move to Software Update in General Settings. Let the system check for an available update. If there is one available, use Update Now to update your iOS device. Option number 3, leave the Apple Beta software program. So do you want to leave the Apple Beta software program? Here's how you can unenroll from the Apple Beta software program. Use a web browser on your computer or mobile device and then just go to the Apple Beta software program website. Sign in with the Apple ID that you used to join the beta program. Now scroll down to click Leave Apple Beta software program. Then tap Leave program to exit the beta program from there. Now here's just going to be a quick bonus, how to restore the previous iOS version using iTunes. So restoring a previous iOS version using iTunes is possible only if Apple is still signing that particular iOS version. You will need to disable the Find My service and put your device into recovery mode. The process will also wipe clean all of your device data. Here's going to be how to restore the previous iOS version using iTunes. After disabling Find My, connect your iOS device to the computer and then put it into recovery mode. To do that, you will need to first press and release the volume up button, then repeat the process with the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the iPhone transitions to recovery mode. In iTunes, a pop-up will appear informing you that there is a problem with the device and it needs to be restored or updated. Now click Restore and just go ahead and wait for iTunes to restore your iPhone to the latest public version of iOS. And with that, today's video has finally reached its end. So thank you so much for watching this video all the way up until the very end, and we are hopeful that it helped you resolve the constant app crashing issues on your iOS device. So let us know about your feedback in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. But with that said, until next time, have a good one.